Hello, my friends. Well, I'm anxious to continue with my iris series, but I dreamt about doing this last night and I just have to try it. I'm going to do the marble pour with just black and white. So it's a challenge, of course, because I would like to maintain nice strong black and white rather than getting a bunch of gray, but who knows. And I've added silicone. I had to keep it on the thick side to so I could try to keep the black and white separate, but thin enough that the silicone would have an effect. There's an ant. So that's what I've done. I've mixed up 5 ounces of each color. This is a 10 by 10 deep canvas, and I've added 5 drops of silicone to each color, and I've mixed it in really well. I'll give it another stir before I add it to the cup. Now, so I have about 10 ounces. I don't have a 10-ounce cup. I have a 9-ounce, but I cut down one of these big 18-ounce ones. I hope it's big enough. But I didn't want to use the big 18-ounce because there's so much room that the paint has to fall down, you know, if... well, you know... Oh my gosh, what is it? There's so much space, empty space there, that the paint has to go down. It's going to blend more. So if I can fill this up pretty close to the top and then flip it, I think that will help keep the color separate. That's in theory anyway. So that's why I did that. And then I want to give real thought to where I put the marble. Now on the last one, I had a problem lifting the marble from the surface, but accidentally on the last one I did it the way I feel it should be done, where you start the marble where I ended up on the previous ones and then send it off the edge. That way you're not having to lift it. And I want to give some real thought to where I go with it, so I have thought about it. And let's just draw a little diagram here for me to follow. I want to start about here, and I'll go like that and off the canvas, and then I'll do a larger one about here, and I don't know, maybe I'll go off there, and then a third one. Maybe I'll start here. And bring it off there. That's the plan. Maybe this needs to come up here further. I don't know. That's kind of my idea. It's helpful to kind of give a little thought to where you're going with the marble, I think, instead of trying to do it on the fly, which I did last time. Okay, let's get to it. I'm going to do 3 layers of each color. Here we go. I'll try to show you the consistency with the white one. It was 1-to-1 with the recipe I'll put down below. There we go. So it's runny, but a little thick. I'm going to gently pour this in. Maybe I'll even run it down the side. Then you really have a better chance of it layering for you rather than mixing. Now the black. Oops. This should be my last layer. Maybe I'll have to do 4 layers. I don't want to pour all that in right now. Yeah, 4 layers. Okay, and white. I'm going to get gray. I mean, there's no way to avoid it, but I hope I can still maintain some black. Okay. And here we go. I'll do this to give it as much chance to come out of the cup nicely. And here we go. Okay, well, that's good. The black and white there. There's no avoiding gray, but that's where the cells are, but they will appear there as well. I'm going to spread it around and then hit it with a torch. Yuck. That's what I didn't want to end up with. Okay. I like that. All right, here we go. Try to maintain a lot of that white. I hope the black will come through. In my dream, it worked really well. I don't know how this is going to work. I'm just using Artist Loft Flow Acrylic, so... Oh man, where's my black? Bring it back in and send this gray off, and then hope the black will come through in that white. All right. All right. Lovely, huh? Oh, good. Good. This is really what I wanted. Well, I was hoping to get black with just nice little white cells, but I have a lot of gray in there, but that's okay. This is more what I wanted to see. I'm going to keep going. I'm going to load it up with cells. That is loaded. One more up here. Come on, you. I know you're there. Okay. Good. That's kind of what I hoped to see. Now, where is the marble? Here it is. So, here we go with the marble. Start about here, and I'm going to go that away down to about there. Slow and steady. It's got to be thick to maintain the cells. Okay, one. All right, now a larger one. I'm going to start about here and probably send it off over there. Kind of holding my breath as I do this. Okay. Well, it's not the pour of my dreams, I'll tell you that. But it is kind of what I thought might happen. Oh, now I had a third one going here. But maybe I'll change it up. Maybe I'll start it here and go through that middle and up there off that edge. That's what I'm going to do. So that's the plan. Let's see if I can do it. Through that center there. Little curve. And now this way. Oh, well, you know, I was able to control the marble where I wanted it to go, but the black just really failed me. It's just so gray. Yeah, I'm not loving it, but it's a nice change from the wildly colorful things I prefer. Let's bring you in a little closer. I think I'm going to retire the marble. It's fun, but I'm not nutty about it, using it, so. There we go. Okay, my friends, I hope you learned perhaps what not to do. Or if you like this, give it a shot. Oh my goodness, terrible narration. Well, thanks for watching. Bye for now.